Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Claude Sonnet to analyze stocks. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Claude AI and click on the official Anthropic website. Once the page loads, access the Claude interface, where you'll see a chat box to begin. Next, enter a structured prompt to analyze a stock. For example, ask Claude to analyze Apple stock using details like company overview, fundamentals, revenue, profit, PE ratio, EPS, debt, recent news, technical trend, risks, opportunities, and a final verdict. Also, request a small table of key metrics. After entering the prompt, click Submit and wait for the response. Claude will generate a clear, organized breakdown. Review each section to understand the company's performance and market position. Pay attention to risks and opportunities to maintain a balanced view. Use the final verdict for a quick summary and the table for easy comparison. Repeat the process with other stock tickers to analyze different companies. So that's basically how you can use Claude Sonnet to analyze stocks. That's it for this video. Thanks.